Happy birthday to you. Hello, birthday girl. I didn't see you there. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray!
Happy birthday! Did you make this? That is so good. In the fridge. Damn. So good.
Hey guys, so today is Siobhan's birthday and we're off to high tea up in the mountains.
That's what we're doing. No, kidding.
So we've got,
Robbie, you spoiled the surprise.
got Reese and Caitlin driving, and I was supposed to drive but that didn't work out.
Life had other plans.
Happy birthday!
Okay, grand reveal. Wow, you did such a good job.
Down your drink.
So now we're writing rules.
Otherwise, down your drink.
Macy's all ready to go. Huh?
Happy birthday!
Matt, let's see. Oh, Shrek. So guys, now we're all ready for... I was filming with you! So guys, now we are all set up. Now we're just waiting for everyone to arrive. So here's Jenny, Caitlin.
Wait, show the swamp rules.
Oh yeah, they came up with some swamp rules. So, swamp rules? Oh yeah. Okay, so here is outside. Oh, hello. So yeah, here's the food. And Ken?
I'm back. Hi, Auntie Pat.
Hello, Jen.
I'm recording for Siobhan. Anything you got to say?
Happy birthday, Siobhan!
Wow.
Hope you have a lovely birthday.
Hi, Ken. Do you have anything to say to Siobhan?
Yes, happy birthday, Siobhan. All the best.
Oh, that's really cute. Jenny approved. Hi, Matt. Do you have anything to say to Siobhan?
Hi, happy birthday.
From your boyfriend.
Happy birthday, baby. I love you.
You take it.
Anything to say to Siobhan?
Happy birthday.
Lachlan?
Happy birthday, Wanda.
Okay. Dad.
Happy birthday, Siobhan. Number one.
Mom?
Hi, happy birthday, my third princess. Second is my third princess.
Who's the first princess?
Sophie!
Oh.
My second one is Siobhan.
And then that's a third princess.
And this is my third one princess.
Do you have anything to say to Mom, Macy?
Hey, hey, Siobhan. Happy birthday. I'm the better Belito, not this bumhead.
Jenny, did you say anything?
No, happy birthday, Jonah. We love you so much.
Okay. Before you go, do you have anything to say to your sister? What up? Do you have anything to say, Gingerbread Man? Happy birthday! Alright, Leslie, what do you have to say to the birthday girl?
Happy birthday and thanks for choosing the hardest name ever.
But yeah, thanks for being great friends. Wow, you've really been practicing.
Alright, Shania, what do you have to say to Siobhan?
Happy birthday, love you. Happy birthday, Siobhan. Happy birthday, Siobhan. The face is too much. Are they both like...
Hello, Jen, what do you have to say to Siobhan? What? What do you have to say to Siobhan?
Happy birthday, Siobhan.
What do you have to say to Siobhan? So, Locke, tell me about your jelly shot.
1 liter vodka, 1 liter water, a lot of Shrek's piss.
Shrek's piss. Nice and good.
Piss? What?
Oh, Shrek, yo.
You see Jenny in a corner just squatting.
Macy. Yeah, it's recording, man.
It's not an option.
I mean,
I don't want to
Yeah, Jordy, go.
go. Down. Go. You. Go. Go.
forever.
Kelsey! Work complete. Yeah. Oh, you guys!
Hello? Is this working? Hi, Siobhan. Hi, Kuya. Love you guys. Bye bye. Look at that fire. There's my.
Alright, Rochelle, what do you have to say to Siobhan?
Happy birthday, Siobhan. I love you. Psych, not
Hey, Kel, what do you have to say to Siobhan?
Happy birthday, fairy godmother. That's what she is, right? Yeah.
That's what she is. Hey, Monique, what do you have to say to Siobhan?
Happy birthday. That's it.
CCA crew, say to Siobhan.
Happy birthday, babe. Hi, happy birthday, Siobhan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
What do you have to say to Siobhan, Shrek?
Ogres.
Ogres.
I like onions.
Okay, hi, I'm the fairy godmother, and I think the big bad wolf is going to be the drunkest tonight.
Hi, I'm the big bad wolf, and I think the fairy godmother is gonna be the drunkest because she's the birthday girl. And I'm gonna slip drinks to her.
Hi, I'm Robin Hood. Actually, no, I'm not Robin Hood. I'm Little Red Riding Hood. I am voting for the wolf. I know that she's a really bad influence on me, and she'll be getting the drunkest.
Hey, I'm Shrek, and I think Robin Hood's going to get the most drunk because he's a sober driver. You can't have a sober driver at a Shrek
My name is
party.
Robin Hood,
So,
and I think blah 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 is
Robin
going to be the
I'm Robin Hood. Duh. He's gonna be the fairy godmother.
Hi, I am Puss in Boots. Where am I looking, Siobhan? I am not drunk. Look how cute I am with my boots.
Who do you think is going to be the drunkest? Oh my god! I think Puss in Boots is going to be the drunkest.
Fuck this shit. Now we'll make Siobhan. Hi. Okay.
Hey, Sleeping Beauty up in this bitch.
Oh shit.
I think Puss in Boots gonna be the drunkest.
Facts. She's already the drunkest.
a magic mirror. And I think Puss in Boots is going to be the drunkest.
Puss in Boots is already the drunkest.
No,
It's
bitch, I'm not gone. I'm still alive. Hi.
She's not.
Guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey, we're the Three Blind Mice, and we think together.
What's his name?
No. Hey, he was. We think the gingerbread. No. Pinocchio.
Yes,
We think Pinocchio is going to be the drunkest tonight. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Pinocchio, and tonight I think who the drunkest will be is the fairy godmother, actually.
Sophie.
Wait. Happy birthday, Siobhan! Is it recording? Sophie.
Sophie's gonna be the drunkest.
I'm choosing again. I choose Robbie twice.
I choose Robbie 4 times.
Hi guys. So I think Puss in Boots is gonna be the drunkest tonight. Oh, by the way, I'm Shrek, but the female version. So yeah, that's what I think. Please tell me we're done. We're done? I think we're done.
My name is Lachlan Dylan Antonio de Cruz. I am Siobhan's brother. Sister! And I love her very, very much. I wish her the happiest birthday, and I love her more than life itself. That's cool.
Okay, so everybody, I'm reading the swamp rules for tonight. The first rule is is you have to take a photo with the fairy godmother. Second rule is you have to have a drink in your hand at all times. If not, you have to down your drink. Third rule is when you hear the song Tequila, you have to drink. It's like you have to call Siobhan by her character name all night. And if you slip up, you have to down your drink. Everybody read the last rule. Yeah? So if you have a drink in your hand, down it right now. Come on, Ryan. Come on, Bobby. Come on, Ken. Sinead. Everybody down your drink right now. Yeah? Now everybody better oblige to these rules or you're going to get out of the swamp.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Drink! Drink! Hey! Get a drink! Get a drink off! Come on, tree blue. True and true. She's a Boston, so they say. She tried to get to heaven, but she went the other way. She went down, 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 down.
So yeah, the food is ready, but I just wanted to say thank you for everyone everyone, Jenny, Mum for making the food, Mama Galito, everyone, Katie.
What about Auntie Pat?
Oh, Auntie Pat. Auntie Pat. I said Mum, and especially for Robbie, thank you for everything. Hello. And for Ken and Lachlan and Kelsey and Aaron and Jenny and Jazz and Billy and Ben. Ryan for roughing up. Kelsey, even though you went on time. Thank you, everyone. But yeah, just be friendly.
I'm starving.
My mom don't like the sound. Hey, your wedding sis, come on.
I like that.
One more time! One more time! Jazz, come on! Sorry, Jazz, but Jenny's gonna do it too. He has to catch you. You got this, girl.
Siobhan's has to be magical.
Shanae, that's you. This is Syed. This is your husband, Robbie. This is Michelle. Hi. This is Uncle Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to our vlog. Say hi. Where are you from? What's your name? Rochelle.
cousin.
Okay, his Mrs. cousin. Yeah, Siobhan.
I know Siobhan from work.
Which work?
Kmart.
Kmart. Worked at Kmart. But you?
Yeah, no, Kmart, the 1146.
The 1146. I have no idea what that means. At least, how do you know Siobhan?
Work, Kmart and Coca-Cola.
Siobhan, how do you know Siobhan? Oh, Rochelle. Rochelle! No. Banger Boys! Get out of my fucking way! Guys, Banger Boys is playing and I love Banger Boys. Say hi! Wait. La la la. Sha la 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 la. Werewolf! Grandma! We are with
Anna. I am Siobhan's sister's best friend.
Wow, you're Caitlin's best friend.
Yes.
Ah, is anyone else in the bathroom?
Yes. Someone's in the bathroom right now.
Hi, sorry, what's your name? How do you know Siobhan? Love you, Siobhan, so much.
Hey, all these fairy tale creatures can get the fuck out of my swamp.